Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cord concealer is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone looking to achieve a clean, minimalist aesthetic in their home or office, transforming cluttered spaces into visually appealing environments by effectively hiding unsightly wires and cables that often detract from the overall decor. This innovative product not only enhances the tidiness of a room but also contributes to a safer living or working area by reducing tripping hazards, making it an essential tool for homeowners and renters alike who value both form and function in their living spaces. Number 5. Delamu Cord Hider Cable Management Raceway Kit. Experience enhanced safety with our product, which has passed the UL94V0 flammability test. This means it stops burning quickly, offering superior flame retardancy and peace of mind for your daily use. Setting it up is incredibly simple thanks to its upgraded snap structure. The attach and snap design allows for easy opening and closing, making cable organization a breeze. Transform your space by hiding and organizing unsightly cords. Enjoy a tidier home or office with more room to move, making it your favorite solution for cable clutter. Crafted from high-quality plastic, our cable management solution is built to last. It's sturdier, unbreakable, and free from impurities, ensuring a premium feel and durability. No professional help needed. With easy-to-follow instructions, you can solve all your messy wire problems. A small change can give your living space a whole new look. Protect your loved ones by hiding cords that could be a hazard. It ensures that any area with electronics is safe for children and pets, while also enhancing your home's appearance. Easily adapted to your specific needs. It can be cut and spliced to perfectly fit your wall cable management scenarios, offering a seamless integration. What we like? If you prioritize safety above all else, this is the one for you. Its UL94V0 rating offers superior flame retardancy, making it a safer choice for homes with children and pets. The snap-on design ensures a hassle-free installation, and its paintable surface allows it to blend seamlessly with your decor. What people say. Easy to cut and mount. I like how the covers and connectors just snap into place. The channels are fabricated from a medium-density plastic that strikes the perfect balance. It is neither thin and flimsy nor overly thick and brittle, suggesting excellent long-term durability. The internal capacity of the channels is generous, comfortably housing a decent volume of wires as advertised. I was able to paint them so they blend in with the wall color. They work exactly as described. Number 4. D-Line 1D3015W Cable Raceway. Tired of messy cables? This innovative solution makes organizing your cords incredibly simple. Its peel and stick design means you can hide wires in minutes, no special tools or skills needed. Enhance your home's aesthetic with its elegant, half-round profile. It seamlessly blends with your decor, perfect for concealing wires behind wall-mounted TVs or along baseboards for a clean, polished look. Navigate corners and connections with ease. Specially designed accessories ensure a secure and neat fit, hiding even imperfect cuts for a flawless finish every time. Achieve a truly seamless look. You can easily paint it to match your wall color, ensuring it disappears into your existing decor for ultimate discretion. Forget complicated, two-part systems. This one-piece design allows you to simply open the lid, add your cables, and snap it shut with its patented click-lock mechanism. Installation is a breeze. Available in multiple sizes to suit your needs, including this 39-inch length. Find the perfect fit for any cable management challenge you may have. What we like? For those who value aesthetics and ease of installation, this option stands out. Its stylish, half-round profile blends beautifully with decor, and the paintable surface ensures a perfect match. The peel and stick adhesive makes setup a breeze, ideal for anyone looking for a clean, professional look with minimal effort. What people say. I just installed this along my baseboard, looks like quarter round, and it perfectly holds and hides the cords. I have 2 cable lines and a very small, flat landline cord in it, plenty of room for another cable if necessary. So easy to work with, and wires, I had 2 thick ones, fit in fine. It was also easy to cut and it had good sticking ability. But mainly, it took jumbled up wires and made them disappear. Hides cords from my wire-biting cat well, much to his dismay. I found the self-adhesive to be perfect and easy enough to resize with a little hacksaw as needed. Blends in beautifully with white baseboard. Number 3. Yecaye Cord Hider Cable Management Kit. Tired of messy cables? This solution is perfect for concealing single low-voltage wires like power cords or speaker cables. Achieve a clean, minimalistic look in any room. Get everything you need for your projects with this 8-piece kit. It includes multiple channels and reliable mounting tape for seamless cable concealment. Installation is a breeze with our strong adhesive tape. It ensures a secure attachment to your walls or desk, providing a dependable wire cover solution. Beyond just organizing cables, this product elevates the look of your walls and workspace. It's an efficient wire cover that adds a sophisticated touch. Keep your family safe by organizing dangerous, untidy cables. This vital addition significantly reduces risks, especially for homes with children and pets. What we like. If you have just one or two low-voltage cables to manage and want a clean, uncluttered look, this is your best bet. It's specifically designed to conceal single wires like speaker or network cables, maintaining a minimalistic aesthetic. The strong adhesive ensures a secure and reliable installation on walls or desks. What people say. The cord covers blend in well with the wall color. Easy to install and paintable to match your decor. Number 2. ECHOGEAR TV Cord Hider. Tired of unsightly cables ruining your wall-mounted TV setup? This kit offers a simple solution to hide your wires behind the wall, creating a clean and professional look. Get your cables hidden in just 20 minutes with this easy-to-use DIY kit. It includes everything you need for a hassle-free installation, so you can get back to enjoying your shows. This system is perfect for hiding various low-voltage cables like HDMI and AUX. It can even accommodate in-wall rated power cables, ensuring all your connections are neatly concealed. Featuring locking brackets and a drywall hole saw attachment, this kit ensures a secure and perfect fit. The grommets lock into place, providing a stable and long-lasting installation. Don't worry about thick cables. Our flexible pass-through grommets can comfortably fit up to 4 large HDMI cables. There's plenty of room for even your bulkiest cords. Want a truly invisible look? These grommets are paintable, allowing them to blend seamlessly with your wall color. Plus, we plant a tree for every unit sold. What we like. For the ultimate hidden cable solution, consider this in-wall kit. It allows you to completely conceal your wires behind the wall, offering a truly seamless look, especially for wall-mounted TVs. The included hole saw attachment makes installation straightforward, and the paintable grommets ensure it disappears into your wall. What people say. This little kit is like magic for messy cords, making your wall look sleek and tidy in no time. Installation. Easy peasy. You don't need a degree in engineering, just a drill and 20 minutes of your precious time. Boom, cords vanish behind the wall. This bad boy hides most of your TV cables, except the power-hungry ones, sorry. Think HDMI, AUX, even speaker wires. They're all out of sight, out of mind. Number 1. TESSAN 11-in-1 Surge Protector Power Strip. Introducing a versatile power strip that combines 8 AC outlets with 3 USB ports, including USB-C. It's designed to charge up to 11 devices simultaneously, keeping your space organized with its convenient 5-foot flat extension cord. Say goodbye to messy cables. The ultra-thin flat plug and 5-foot cord easily reach distant outlets without creating clutter on your floor or blocking other sockets. Equipped with 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, this device offers fast and efficient charging for all your essential gadgets like phones and tablets. Protect your valuable electronics with built-in surge protection. It safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, automatically shutting off during overloads. This power strip isn't just functional, it's also mountable. Use the integrated holes for secure installation on walls or under counters, and rely on the non-slip feet to keep it in place. Ideal for your home, office, or dorm room, this power strip provides a reliable and safe power source for all your electronic needs. What we like. If you're looking to power and charge multiple devices while keeping cable clutter to a minimum, this is the perfect solution. Its 3-sided design with ample outlets and USB ports, including USB-C, handles all your charging needs. The flat plug and long cord make it ideal for desks or areas where outlets are hard to reach, and it can even be mounted for extra convenience. What people say. Flat plug design. It's like the power strip is on a diet, slim and sleek, fitting behind furniture without any complaints. No more awkwardly shoving plugs behind couches or tripping over cords. USB ports galore, 8 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C. It's like a charging station for every gadget I own, and let's be honest, I own a lot. My devices are always powered up and happy. Firstly, let's talk about its physique, a svelte 0.31 inches in thickness. This power strip could sneak into places James Bond wouldn't dare. It's so flat, it makes your other power strips look like they've been on a donut binge. Need extra space for other plugs? Fear not. The 45 degrees right angle design is here to play Tetris with your sockets, making sure everything fits snugly without the drama of blockage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.